Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about population and settlement. Standard 7, Geography Lesson 3. Let's start. Let's see the objectives. To know the population, races and their classification. To learn about different religion. To learn about major languages. To know the favorable condition for settlement. To know about old house types. Let's see the introduction. Population is meant by number of people live in town, city or any region. So number of people living in a given area. Population geography is the study of demographic phenomena. That is, the study of population is known as demographic. It includes natality, mortality and growth rate through space and time. So natality means birth rate, number of people born for 1000 people per year. Mortality means number of people died for 1000 people per year. Growth rate is the difference between birth rate and the death rate. Population distribution depends on increase or decrease of population. It is based on the birth rate and the death rate. The study of movement and mobility of population is called migration. The people used to migrate, move from one place to another in search of employment, education and food. Population is usually determined by the process called census. That means you would have seen in your home, the government people come and they collect the information about the elders, younger, children, and they analyze the data and they'll give the report on population growth. World Population Day is celebrated on 11th July. Settlement is a place where people establish a community. Races. Races is defined as a biological grouping within the human species. So, based on your DNA material, the human species are grouped. A race is a group of people with a permanent distinct character. So, they are grouped according to the characters, that is face shape, facial features like nose shape, eye shape, eyeball color, color of the skin, then hair type, then blood group. Race is generally termed as categorizing people. So to categorize the people, to divide the people based on the race, so that it will be easy to study about the humans. The major human races in the world are Caucasoid, Negroid, Mongoloid, Asteroid. Human geography is the study of man and his surroundings to the natural environment. First one is a Caucasoid. The Caucasoid is known as European race. This group is one with fair skin and dark brown eyes, wavy hair and narrow nose. The Caucasoid are also found in Eurasia. Negroid have the dark eyes, black skin, black woolly hair, white nose, long head and thick lips. They are living in different parts of Africa. Mongoloid. The Mongoloid races is commonly known as the Asian American race. The Mongoloid have the light yellow to brown skin, straight hair, flat face, broad head and medium nose. Such peoples are found in Asia and Arctic region. Astroloid have white nose, curly hair, dark skin and short in height. Let's see the races of India. India is one of the cradle lands of human civilization. The ancient Indus Valley civilization was the origin of Dravidian people in North India. They were pushed to South India when Indo-Aryan people settled, came in 1750 to 500 BCE. Later, South India was dominated by Dravidian kingdom, that is Chera, Chola and Pandya. They spoke Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam and Tulu, which is considered as the Dravidian language. Let's see the religion and its classification. Religion means a particular system of faith and worship. It forms a human society. It is a symbol of group identity and a culture. Religion is classified into three types. They are universalizing religion. It is the religion that operates on a global scale. They refer to a single founder. Example, Christianity referred to Jesus Christ, Islam referred to Muhammad, and Buddhism referred to Gautama Buddha. Ethnic religion. This religion is limited to a particular group or a community. Example, Judaism, Hinduism, and Japanese Shintoism. Last one is a tribal or traditional religions. In this religion, people mostly believe their ancestors and they belong to traditions. Example, animism, shamanism, and shaman. Languages of India. India has a world second highest number of languages. Language is a force of socialization and common type of communication. It is in written form or oral form. It promotes transmission of ideas. India has 122 major languages and 1519 other languages. 22 major languages are spoken by about 97% population of the country. Dravidian languages are Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Malayalam. Indo-Aryan languages are North Indian languages like Hindi, Gujarati, Rajasthani, etc. Hindi is the national language of India. English is the administrative language. Today, usage of language has changed. It is often used as communicational skill. With the different means of communication and fast-moving world, advancement in technology helps in understanding of different languages very easily with easy access to electronic media along with its pronunciation. These technologies have really brought the world closer. Let's see the settlement. Settlement is a place where people live and interact through agriculture, trading, and entertainment. Rural settlement is a community having primary activities such as agriculture, lumbering, fishing, and mining. Urban settlements include secondary and tertiary activities like industry, trade, and banking. Rural settlement population has small population and the urban settlement has large population. Sites and situation refer to the location of actual settlement. It depends upon on usefulness for meeting our daily needs like water supply and fuel, etc. Old house types. In early period, people lived in houses built by using local materials. The form of houses was closely related to environment. This includes building materials like mud walls, and the roof was made up of stalk of paddy. Local wood was used to provide frame for roof. They had wide verandas and open air circulation. The size depends on the economic status of the habitants. With this, I conclude this video. In the next video, we'll see the pattern of settlement. If you have liked this video, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. If you have any comments, kindly comment below.